Comet is Perplexity's attempt to turn the browser from a passive window into an active workspace. Instead of opening tabs, copying links, and asking a separate chatbot what to do next, the assistant lives beside the web page and understands the page you're already using. The big idea is simple. Comet can look at websites, reason through tasks, and take action with you in the loop. Shopping, research, forms, videos, and messy web errands all become conversations, where the browser is not just displaying the internet, it is helping operate it. One of the clearest demos is social browsing. You can ask Comet to scan a LinkedIn feed, understand what counts as useful engagement, and interact with posts at a human pace. It is not just summarizing content. It is coordinating small, repetitive actions across a real site. For research work, the side panel becomes a live analyst. In a competitive review, Comet can move between company pages, blog posts, and supporting sources, then explain what it is finding as it goes. That makes web research feel less like tab juggling and more like guided investigation. On first launch, Comet feels deliberately calm. A browser, a search box, and an assistant waiting in the corner. The onboarding nudge to make it your default browser is not subtle, because the product only becomes interesting when your everyday links, tabs, and habits flow through it. The new tab page is where the assistant starts to feel native. Shortcuts, widgets, voice input, and quick commands sit in the center, so you can search, dictate, or launch a task without first deciding which app deserves your attention. It is a command center for the web. Even in other languages and regions, the pattern is consistent. Comet puts browsing, widgets, and the assistant in one surface. Weather, finance, media, save services, and prompt entry all share the same workspace, which makes it feel closer to an operating layer than a normal start page. Content research is a natural fit. On a Shopify article about trend analysis, Comet can read the page, pull out the main ideas, and organize them into practical categories. Instead of skimming for takeaways manually, you can ask the browser to turn the article into working notes. Video search is another useful case. Ask for the exact moment Neil Armstrong says a famous line, and Comet can search YouTube results, compare likely sources, and work toward the right clip. It is the kind of tiny mission that usually burns 10 annoying minutes. The heavier demos show why browser-level agency matters. Finding Facebook rental groups, joining relevant ones, and documenting results in a spreadsheet crosses search, social platforms, and productivity tools. Comet handles that as one continuous task instead of making the user babysit every step. For longer reports, Comet works like a research partner parked beside the source. On a McKinsey article, it can read across pages, extract implications for marketers, and connect the dots into a concise briefing. You still verify the judgment, but the first pass arrives much faster. Shopping is where the assistant feels immediately practical. On Logitech's site, you can ask Comet to find a specific MX Master model and add it to the cart. It navigates product pages, checks options, and presses the right buttons while explaining what it is doing. News sites highlight a different strength: context on demand. When a New York Times homepage is packed with headlines, videos, live updates, and side stories, Comet can help you decide what matters without clicking everything. It turns a crowded front page into a readable briefing. The assistant panel also makes summarization feel built in. A simple prompt like "summarize the current web page" can produce a quick overview, while the original page stays visible. That matters because you are not leaving the article behind. You are reading with an extra layer of help. Voice interaction pushes the idea further. Asking about today's local news in Portuguese, then getting categorized results with sources, makes Comet feel less tied to traditional search boxes. It becomes a browser you can talk to while it gathers, sorts, and presents the web. Personalization is part of the pitch too. Comet Setup asks for a username, avatar, and visual mode, wrapping the browser in a more identity-driven experience. It is cosmetic, yes, but it signals that this assistant is meant to follow your habits across sessions. Comet can also coordinate media collecting tasks, like finding full-length Apple Keynote videos and adding them to a playlist. That sounds simple until you remember how many searches, filters, menus, and repeated clicks it usually takes. The assistant turns that repetition into one request. The Facebook rental example gets even more interesting when it spans languages. Comet searches for Mandarin and English groups, evaluates relevance, and keeps the task summary visible while it works. For local research, that multilingual browsing support can save a lot of manual switching. At a higher level, Comet represents a shift from consuming information to delegating outcomes. The old browser made you responsible for every click, comparison, and copy-paste. This new model asks you to describe the result, then supervise the browser as it moves through the steps. Job hunting is a perfect stress test. On LinkedIn, Comet can search for product manager roles, apply filters, inspect listings, and narrow results around specific criteria. It does not remove the need for judgment, but it can reduce the mechanical grind around finding leads. Academic and technical PDFs are another strong use case. With a study open, Comet can identify participating countries, summarize sections, and cite where it found the answer. That is especially useful when the document is dense, because the assistant works directly against the source in view. Real estate search shows how Comet handles everyday messy requests. You can ask for apartments matching bedrooms, location, budget, and listing details, then let the assistant browse a marketplace. The value is not magic. It is persistence across forms, filters, and result pages. Product extraction is a classic browser automation chore. If a page has names and prices, Comet can scroll, collect the visible data, and prepare it for a spreadsheet. For e-commerce research or catalog checks, the kind of structured extraction is much faster than manual copying. Comet can even help with publisher workflows. In a podcast dashboard, the assistant is asked to refresh the page regularly until a publish button becomes clickable, then click it. That is not glamorous, but it captures a real category of waiting, checking, and acting at the right moment. By the end, the recurring theme is clear. Comet is less about replacing websites and more about adding an assistant to the browser itself. It reads, clicks, summarizes, fills, searches, and waits beside you, turning the web from a maze of tabs into something you can direct.